Hit that red subscribe button along with the bell icon so you will get notification each time a new video goes live on my channel. Hey guys, this is Sandy and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the batteries on your Soul Infinity helmet or any other helmet with LED lights. So without further ado, let's get to the work. So this procedure is quite a bit simple. For the procedure we will be just requiring a screwdriver. Okay, so on the back side of the helmet we got two screws, if you can see. Yeah, this one. So we'll be removing these two screws first. This procedure is quite simple and mostly it is applicable to all the helmets of Soul or any other brands which got LED lights on the back. So after removing the screws, you can just gently pop the plastic protector out. This is it. We'll be keeping this aside, and after that you can remove the whole motherboard or LED lights or the battery holder for the lights. So this is it. We'll be keeping the helmets aside for a bit. Okay, so as you can see, these are our old batteries. These are the AAA Sony batteries which lasted me for around 5 months, I guess. So we'll be replacing this with the new Duracell AAA batteries. So gently pop the new batteries in. And check if this is working or not. As you can see, the lights are blinking, so it's perfectly working. Okay, so let's pop everything back in. So gently slide this back into the helmet, and after that take your plastics back and gently align it with the button and push a little back, and after that put back your both the screws and gently tighten them. And you are done. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thumbs if you like it and subs if you love it.